All right, guys, today we're going to take a quick look at a true hidden gem for the recovery play, the reopen play. So let's get to it. So Simon Properties Group, SPG, is the largest owner of malls in the US. Now, this is still a reopen play in my opinion, and also I see it as a hidden gem. You'll usually hear about hotels and cruises and airlines, casinos mentioned as reopen plays, but rarely do we hear of malls, right? Well, one reason could be that these guys have a near monopoly in their industry as far as public companies are concerned, that being an owner of malls. Now, I know some of you will say, well, isn't the reopen play already priced in like months ago? I don't think so. At least not with this one and some others. I've been hearing, isn't the reopen play already priced in since like September, October of 2020. And actually I've made some of my best trades going long on reopen plays still these last few months. I mean, going back to like February, March, April, like American Airlines and Live Nation, among others. So with that said, the main reason why I feel this hasn't reached its full potential or anywhere close is just very basic fundamentals. And sometimes that's all it takes. So unlike the other names where they've been heavily diluted since the pandemic began, like think cruise lines like Carnival and American Airlines, right, and among others. To my knowledge, and correct me if I'm wrong here, Simon Properties Group did not issue new shares to raise capital. Not only that, but they've even kept the dividend, paying out the dividend every quarter still, with Q1 2020 being the sole exception, the start of the pandemic when everything was closed. On that note, I feel like this stock can break all-time highs as early as next year. But my time frame isn't that long. I just want a 25 to 30% bump in this name in the next few months, right? So considering the recent big inflation number we just saw this week, including wage inflation, I think this one is just too obvious of a pick. It seems like a no-brainer. They should have a blowout Q2 earnings report come late summer, as we can expect people to go crazy at the malls spending all this new money, at which point I expect the stock to be trading north of 150, possibly 160. I fully expect us to be trading within this channel near the end of the year, unless some unforeseen news event comes up. On that note, by the way, the household savings rate last year was the highest it's been in decades, so this play just makes too much sense to me, you know? The downside risk for this one is also limited. I will set a mental stop loss around the 110 area just to be safe. And notice we're looking at the weekly chart here. So we are still significantly below the levels we were at before COVID. And given the info I just mentioned, I really think this one is a no-brainer. All right, everyone, that's it for this one. Hit the subscribe button for my daily market recap videos and others like these. Until next time, peace out.